Hi everyone, it's Ricky again, and welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to learn practical conversational English you can use in an American convenience store. These stores are small, quick places to buy drinks, snacks, and everyday items, and many of them are also gas stations. When you walk in, the worker might say, "Hi, how's it going?" or "Let me know if you need anything." A simple "good thanks" or "thank you" is a natural response. Convenience stores usually carry a variety of basic items. If you're looking for something, you can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the water?" or "Do you have any snacks?" Many convenience stores also sell bags of ice, usually in a freezer near the entrance. You can ask, "Do you sell ice?" or "Where are the bags of ice?" They also often carry basic medications, such as pain relievers, allergy medicine, or cold medicine. If you need help, you can say, "Where can I find the medicine?" or "Do you have anything for headaches?" Some convenience stores offer hot foods, such as pizza slices, hot dogs, or small meals. If you want something from this section, you can say, "Do you have any hot food?" or "Can I get a slice of pizza?" If you're unsure about a price, you can say, "Can I get a price check on this?" or "How much is this?" When you're ready to pay, the cashier will tell you the total. They might say, "That'll be $5.20, or "Your total is $8.10. You can pay with cash, debit card, or credit card. If you use a card, the cashier may say, "You can insert, tap, or swipe. Just follow the instructions on the screen." The cashier may also ask, "Do you need a bag?" You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Before you leave, you might hear, "Have a good one," or "Take care." A simple, "You too," is the perfect response. Many American convenience stores are also gas stations, so you can buy fuel for your car outside and buy snacks or drinks inside. If you need to buy gas, here are useful phrases. "Which pump am I at?" "I'd like to pay for gas on pump number 4. "Can I get $20 on pump 6? "Can I pay inside?" "Can I pay at the pump?" Most gas stations offer 3 main types of gasoline: regular, mid-grade, premium. You can say, "Regular, please. I need premium gas." Fill it up with regular. There is also diesel, which is a different type of fuel. This is very important. Do not put diesel in a regular gasoline car. Diesel and gasoline are not the same, and using the wrong fuel can damage the engine. If you're unsure, you can ask, "Is this pump for diesel or regular gas? Which fuel should I use for my car?" After you finish pumping gas, you can go inside the convenience store to pay, or to buy snacks, drinks, or other items. And that's it. Now you know how to shop confidently in an American convenience store and how to buy fuel safely using natural, everyday English. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.